Are you always chasing more? More peace, more happiness, better English, more knowledge, more confidence? You're not alone. We all want to grow to speak better, live better, and understand more. But what if the real change starts with one small step? Let's take it together starting now. What if I told you that what you're looking for is already here? Maybe it's not perfect. Maybe it's not complete, but it's here. We're so busy chasing the next new thing, the next big breakthrough, that we forget to look at what we already have. In this video, I'll talk about why being thankful for what you have will help you learn English faster and make real lasting change. Let me ask you a question. When was the last time you stopped to appreciate the little things in life? The warm sunshine on your skin, a delicious meal, or a good book? Or when was the last time you were really proud of yourself because of something you did? When you think about these things, do you feel good? Of course you do, because being grateful or thankful for what you have makes you feel good. It makes everyone feel good. So now let's bring this idea of gratitude to English learning. If you feel good, you are more likely to do good. If you feel motivated, you are more likely to study with motivation, and gratitude is the key to feeling this way. So remember, it's not just a feeling. Gratitude is a skill, and all skills can be learned, but we need to practice. We live in a world where people constantly tell us we're not enough. Your English is not good enough. You don't have enough followers. You don't have enough money. You're not beautiful enough. Not enough, not enough, not enough. When we hear this too often, we start to believe it. Then we're always focusing on what we don't have, and this kills our motivation. This is the opposite of gratitude. So instead of focusing on what you don't have, start focusing on what you do have. Be thankful for it. Appreciate it. Here are 6 reasons why gratitude can help you learn English faster and make real lasting change. Number 1. Gratitude reduces pressure. When you're thankful for what you have, you're less likely to put huge amounts of pressure on yourself to be perfect. You're thankful for progress, no matter how slow, because you know every step counts. And this will help you enjoy the process more. Number 2. Gratitude boosts motivation. When you're grateful for small wins, like understanding an entire sentence or having a whole conversation in English, you feel pride. This makes you want to keep going. Number 3. Gratitude rewrites your brain. Science shows that practicing gratitude every day can help reduce anxiety, help you process information more quickly, and help your brain come out of fight or flight stress mode. This means your brain becomes more ready and more open to learning. Number 4. Gratitude improves confidence. When you're thankful for your progress, you start to believe in yourself more. You have a stronger inner voice saying, "I'm proud of how far I've come," not "I'm not good enough." This helps you speak with more confidence. Number 5. Gratitude fuels motivation and consistency. Being grateful helps you remember why you started learning English in the first place. It makes learning feel like a joyful habit and not like a chore or something you have to do. Number 6. Gratitude helps you overcome the fear of speaking. When you're thankful for every opportunity to practice, even if it feels uncomfortable, you begin to see each experience as a gift. This reduces your anxiety when you speak, because you're focused on the opportunity to practice, not on the fear of making mistakes. And remember, gratitude doesn't mean you give up on your dreams or stop wanting more. We can be thankful for what we have and still want more. Gratitude and ambition are partners. They work together. Growth comes from a place of peace, not from a place of fear or lack. So now let me give you some simple ways to start practicing gratitude. Start small. Each day, notice 3 tiny good things that happen. Maybe it's the taste of your morning coffee or a kind word from a stranger. It doesn't matter. Ask yourself simple questions. What went well today? What am I thankful for right now? Keep doing this. Do it every day and it will become second nature. Remember, it's not about the size of your actions. It's about the consistency of your practice. See mistakes as opportunities. Be thankful for them. They're proof that you're trying and learning. Show gratitude through action. Be thankful to other people. Be kind to yourself. Take care of your body and mind. Being grateful doesn't just make you a better English learner. It's the foundation of happiness. It helps you focus on joy, reduces stress, and helps you build better relationships. When you're grateful, you're more open, you're kinder, you communicate more politely, and you connect with others on a deeper level. Gratitude also helps you bounce back quickly from tough times. Even when things are hard, there's always at least one good thing to be thankful for, and that one thing is enough to help you keep moving forward. Now I want to leave you with a very simple starting practice. Take a deep breath in and out. Think of one thing you're thankful for. It can be anything, even something tiny, and quietly say, "Thank you." That's it. By doing this little act of saying thank you, you're growing the gratitude muscle. This will help you feel more positive emotions and be more motivated to reach your goals. Remember, gratitude is not just a feeling. It's a superpower that can transform your life and help you achieve your dreams. So start practicing gratitude today and watch as it unlocks a world of possibilities for you.